Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So as many of you guys know, I have the Palm Spring mini backpack, but what you guys didn't know is that it's a fake one. I can't afford a real one, but I mean, look at it. It looks just like a real Louis Vuitton Palm Spring backpack, and it's like the mini one. So yeah, and if you guys haven't seen my birthday haul of this year, my birthday was like 5 weeks ago. So I did mention that I ordered a bag and I finally got it, and I ordered it from the same websites. I'm not going to mention what website because these are fakes. And if you guys want to know which ones they are, just DM me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram username right here so you guys can follow me. And DM me if you want the website and I'll let you guys know. But when I bought this, I got it for $30. And normally these retail like $1,000. Your girl can't afford that right now. So yes, and it has like the Louis Vuitton Paris. It's pretty much here. Gonna be an unboxing, well, unbagging, if I should say, my bag. And it is a Louis Vuitton as well. Well, my fiance calls it Louis fake Vuitton because it is a fake one. So yeah, let's just unbox it. Unbag it, I mean. So, and like I said, if you guys want to know where I got it, if you guys want the website and all, just let me know. So this is going to be pretty much a first impression because as you can see, I haven't opened it and I've been waiting for it. It's been like 3 weeks already, 3 or 4 weeks.
So, ready?
Okay, so it is well packed, bubble wrapped and everything, and it looks like it comes with the dust bag as well. Feels like it's my birthday all over again. I mean, this was my birthday gift for myself, one of my birthday gifts.
Another bag on it.
Okay, so it comes on the dust bag like this. So this is, I ordered the Louis Vuitton Speedy25. This is how it looks. And I believe it's like the newest version one because it has this. It wraps. It smells like leather inside. And this is the inside of it. So I am pretty pleased. It's a good decent size. It's not bad. Has a little small pocket in here. Good because I need small pockets for my tampons and stuff, you know. The wrapping, what's it called? The strap. So here you go. So that's obviously, it's like not real leather because I know the Louis Vuitton, the real ones are real leather. So and this has gold details. My ring's like flipping over. Reasons why I get fakes is I don't really care if bags are fakes or real. I'm gonna tell you guys straight out if it's a fake. I'm not gonna fake it like it, you know, like I'll straight out let you guys know, oh, this is a fake Louis Vuitton. Because I had people ask me about my little backpack. They've asked me if it's like real or like where I bought it, because they've been wanting one. And straight out I told them, I was like, oh, it's not real, it's a fake one. This was $30. Guess how much this was? Guess. It was $20. And it looks pretty real. I love it. So I just thought I should show you guys this video, because when I ordered that one, I assumed it was gonna be like a medium-sized backpack, like the medium one, and it came out small, and I wasn't expecting it to be small. So I thought I would show you my first impression of my Louis Vuitton, my Louis fake Vuitton, like my baby says. He means. So this is what it had on. It says Louis Vuitton like right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Louis Vuitton. And here. Louis Vuitton Paris right there. Me like it. So I'm gonna be wearing it for a while, and then if you guys want me to do what's it called? What's in my bag on this bag? Just let me know and I will. So yeah. Let me tell you how much the real one costs. The real Louis Vuitton. Let's see. Because right now I'm just seeing used ones. But else. And I am thinking of getting like a wallet later on, or like other ones. So these retail for like around $1,000, like the original one. Yeah, 1,020. But I want to see this one, the one with the strap. So this one, the strap, because this is like the newer version, because the original one doesn't have the strap. It was just like an arm bag. But with the strap is $1,450. Again, your girl can't afford that right now. And I've been wanting a Louis Vuitton, so I got me a fake one. So if you guys do want me to tell you where's like I got it from, the link and all, just DM me on Instagram and I'll give you the link. And yeah, just do your research, because there are some that are like affordable and there's some that are like $100 or some like $100 or a little bit more, like yeah, 200. So just let me know if you want the link. And yeah, so I got my speedo. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.